I never thought that I will be starting a drone school. That is the country's first law enforcement drone school, which we have established in year 2022. The Karnataka State was the first. I am on deputation with the state police. So initially I was on deputed here to train the special forces here in the state. But in 2022 we visualized that the very bright future is towards the drones, because drones play a major role in not only the nation building, helping the industry and also the government agencies, but also in terms of warfare with the defense ministry also.
Today, what are the challenges you feel that we still face when it comes to people actually stepping into this field?
Drone pilot is a very challenging thing, especially when you are dealing with a drone which can do multiple actions.
Where does India as a country stand when it comes to its own drone technology, when we talk about security of the nation?
Once you know your adversary, what are his capabilities, so you try to build up something better to overcome those adversaries which is having the capabilities.
Future of UAVs in one word.
That is the future.
Drone tech or AI, what's bigger?